Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Morbid Metal game on PC. So without wasted time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Morbid Metal game and then select properties. Go to the controller tab and here first select the disable Steam input and then just restart the game. And after restarting the game, check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the game properties, go to control tab and here select enable Steam input this time and then again restart the game and then check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 2, press the Alt plus Enter key. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Fix 3, disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controller, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripheral devices and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4, check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you're using a wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly, and if you're using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issues. Fix 5, use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Fix 6 is to restart Steam or restart PC. So simply close the Steam from Task Manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch the Morbid Metal game and check. If that doesn't help, then simply restart your PC, run Steam as an admin and then launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Morbid Metal game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.